friends, this is the Miss Volfie from our half-acre homestead, and supper tonight is trial and error, but we're going to call them Poppa Volfie burger bombs. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some burgers. These were on sale. These are sirloin burgers, so I picked these up. You're going to need onions, cheese, tomatoes, all I've got is cherry, and peppers. Let's get started. Oh, and you're going to need some good quality bacon. All right, here is some of that good quality streaky bacon is that I was talking to you about. Full of bacon. Now these can be burger bombs or double burger bombs. We're going to play this by ear because this is new to me. All right, but first we're going to make some bacon weaves. All right, now this is the way I've decided to do this. So here we're going to have a slice of onion and a slice of pepper, and I think I'm going to, I kind of want to hold everything in one piece, so I'm going to slice off a little flat spot of my pepper so that it will sit flat. I'm going to sit it flat like that, and then I'm going to drop the two pieces I sliced off in there. Now I'm going to take some cherry tomatoes. If I had a nice beefsteak tomato, that would be ideal, but I don't have it, so we're just going to have to make do with what we have. Some cherry tomatoes there, right, just like that. Maybe we can get one more in there. Like that. This is why one slice would be better. Alrighty. A little bit of salt and pepper. Not too much salt because of the bacon. Just a little bit. A little bit of garlic. We're going to add some cheese. You do whatever cheese you want. I've got mozzarella, so I've got mozzarella and I've got cheddar. So I might do a little bit of both. Just a little bit of cheddar like that. It kind of holds it all together. I could have weaved it, I suppose, but this is getting more delicate by the moment. All right, just a little bit more garlic on that cheese. And now, you can make these fresh if you want, but this is what I have. And now I'm just going to set this burger on top. And let's start bringing our bacon up. All around. Yeah, I probably could have. Now, I'm going to set this just like this. Yeah. I have a feeling this is going to work better. All right. Now, I I think that works much better. Oh, that works a whole lot better. And one more. I put the burgers on the short wire grill, and I put the higher one over top to hold the bacon in place while it cooked. Cook in the new wave at 350 degrees for 20 minutes, let rest for 3, and then 20 minutes more. If you're doing it in the oven, please put it on a broiler pan and put a wire rack over top to hold the bacon in place. Cook at 350 for 40 minutes. All right, let's have a look. Oh, they're coming along gorgeous! So I'm going to put them back on for another, I'm going to say cook time 20 minutes. It's a crapshoot when it comes to new waves, you know, and this is a new recipe. Alrighty. Now, let's take this wire rack off. That worked really well, holding everything together. Chicka bow wow. Just like so. Alrighty, and let's do Daddy's toppings. You said ketchup and relish, no mustard? Okie dokie. And we're gonna go. And there it is. We will be right back when Papa tries these out. Are you ready for this? Papa Volfie Burger Bombs.
Gracie wants one, but she can't have it. Oh boy, how do you eat such a thing?
Like a burger? You can't talk. It's a mouthful.
It's awesome.
Wait, don't take another bite.
It's
All right.
awesome.
Okay. Should I add it to the menu?
Yeah, sure.
Are you going to share with Gracie?
Maybe.
If she's a lucky girl. All right, enjoy your dinner, Papa. Now, I got to tell you, folks, I did not put any ketchup, mustard, relish, or anything on this, and it was the most delicious burger I have ever eaten. I'm not kidding. Suitably named Papa Volfie Burger Bombs. They're burgers, but they're the bomb, and Papa Volfie loves them. Take care. God bless.